Honorable Chief Guest Mr. Mohammad Asifuddin Sir, Principal Sheikh Madar Sir, Headmaster Salim Sir, Wisdom High School, my colleagues as well as my dear students. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. And a very beautiful good morning to all of you. I am very glad to wish you all happy Independence Day today. As we all know, today we all have assembled here just to celebrate and commemorate the freedom struggle to get independence for our nation by the freedom fighters today here. As we all know that today we are taking breath freely because of the freedom fighters who have fought from 1757 to till 1947. As in 1757, Sirajud-Dowla, Nawab of Bengal, first started fighting against the Britishers in Battle of Plassey. Later on, many different rulers started fighting against the Britishers, and among them Jhansi ki Rani, Hazrat Ibultan Rahmatullah Alayh, Kittur Rani Chinnamma, Tantya Tope, Mangal Pandey, who killed a British officer Major Hudson at Barakpur in 1757 struggle. But we did not get independence because of few traitors. कुछ धोखेबाजों की वजह से हमें आजादी नहीं मिली. That and because of some other reasons, that we did not have a proper leader to fight, to lead all of us to fight against the Britishers. We did not have modern weapons. We were not ready to even fight. The struggle has not been throughout the country, and many Indian rulers have even supported the Britishers, and our Indian soldiers even looted our Indians, because of which we lost the faith in our soldiers, and we failed to get our independence in 1857. But the struggle continued as Britishers realized in 1857 that we cannot live in India without winning the hearts of Indians. So for that reason, 1858, Queen Victoria of England announced that we are going to give you the responsible government, and we are not going to make you as slaves as you have lived before. And we are not even going to involve in your religious matters. We are going to give you all the facilities what we give in England to our citizens. But even though Indians were not ready, they said, no, we don't want you. So that struggle continued. In 1919, Britishers have issued a new charter called Rowlatt Act, according to which that you are not allowed to gather at a particular place to talk against the Britishers. And some peaceful protesters who were not aware about this, so they gathered in Jallianwala Bagh at Amritsar, and General Dyer, who came there without giving any small intimation to them, started firing on the people, in which 389 people have died and many have become injured. And that has continued till 1930. On 26 January 1930, first time Indians have declared Purna Swaraj, complete independence. For that reason, even though our constitution was ready on 26 November 1949, we did not start it or did not bring it into existence. Because just to remember the day when the first time Indians have declared Purna Swaraj on 26 January 1930, for that reason our Indian constitution has been adopted on 26 January 1950. Just to remember this day. Even though our constitution was ready after 11 months and 18 days, it was ready on November 26 only, but we did not start it. Just to remember this day. So again the struggle continued till 1947, as our many of Indian freedom fighters who have struggled a lot. Today, just by standing here, we cannot imagine the sacrifices. यहाँ ठहर कर हमें कोई एहसास नहीं कि हम आजादी कैसा मिली. It was really hard to bring the independence to our nation, which was the need of that time. As our country is known as unity in diversity, because of which all the people of different religions have gathered and they started fighting against the Britishers. And then many freedom fighters who have lost their life for the purpose of freedom of our country. Among them are Gandhiji, Jawaharlal Nehru ji, Netaji, that is Subhash Chandra Bose ji even said that I am ready to shed the last drop of blood of my body for the sake of my country. And Ashfaqullah Khan, Badruddin Tayyib ji, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, and many Indian fighters have fought and sacrificed their life, because of whom today we got the independence. They are the real heroes of our today's independence. Just to remember them, we hardly salute them for their sacrifices, because of whom today we are breathing freely. अगर स्ट्रगल नहीं करते शायद हमें आज आजादी नहीं मिलती और हम सुकून की सांस नहीं ले सकते. We were not having any right, and after few years we got independence. We got our constitution also. Ambedkar ji, I really salute him also, that he gave the best constitution to our country, which is best constitution in the world, and our country is known as biggest democratic country in the world. We got the best constitution. Our country is developing, and we must be ready always to keep our country clean and to even ready to sacrifice our country, our life for the sake of our country's independence always. हमें भी हमारे कंट्री की आजादी, अपने कंट्री को क्लीन रखना है और अपने कंट्री को हमेशा हिफाजत से रखना है. जब भी कोई कंट्री अटैक करे तो उस वक्त अगर हमें जरूरत पड़ी तो हमारी जान की कुर्बानी देने के वास्ते भी हम रेडी ना. वी मस्ट इवन रेडी टू फॉलो ऑल द ड्यूटी विच हैव बीन गिवन बाय आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. सो we need to always remember the sacrifices of freedom fighters, as this is being celebrated with great enthusiasm in Delhi by the present Prime Minister, that is Narendra Modi ji, at Red Fort, where 21 guns will be firing consistently when the flag was hoisting, and there will be a shower of flowers from the helicopters at Red Fort. तो बहुत ज्यादा जश्न से मनाया जाता है, बहुत ज्यादा enthusiasm से मनाया जाता है वहाँ पे, और हम सब भी मना रहे हैं. खून से खेलेंगे होली अगर वतन मुश्किल में है, खून से खेलेंगे होली अगर वतन मुश्किल में है, सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अभी भी हमारे दिल में है. आओ मिलकर करें देश को सलाम, बोलो मेरा भारत महान. और एक दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को, दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका जब तक दिल में जान है. थैंक यू सो मच.